Hi guys, so today we have learned so much. We're almost done with our unit on biotechnology, but we have learned so much about GMOs, genetically modified organisms. So today we're actually going to take and synthesize that knowledge and try to answer a real scientific question. So hang on one second, I will pull up that question for you. We're going to be using a tool called a CER or what does it stand for? Claim, evidence, and reasoning. So the thing about science is we make these claims, but we also have evidence to back up whatever it is we're saying. So that's one of the things that I hope you learned from this class. Here's my question for you. Judge if humans should be genetically modifying organisms. Should is a moral question. Should we be genetically modifying organisms? So you're going to write a claim, which is going to say, yes, I think we should genetically modify organisms, or no, I think we should not genetically modify organisms. So that's step one, that's the C. The E here is to provide some evidence, so scientific data to support your claim. Your evidence should be appropriate. So you should be finding either videos or things you've learned from your notes, or possibly, remember how we talked about how biotechnology is a toolbox used to solve societal or world problems? You could possibly decide to take the avenue of saying that we're solving this world problem, like hunger would be solved, could be solved with GMOs. So you could find evidence on that and say, this is why I think we should. Or you could try to find evidence that is against GMOs, but be careful here because we're looking for scientific and not just somebody's opinion that you found out on the internet. So you're looking for studies, really. And anything that you learned in class or watched in the videos can help you with this. You want some evidence. And then that's evidence, E. For R, it's called reasoning. You're going to use your scientific principles and knowledge that you have about the topic to explain why what you found in your evidence supports your claim. So how does knowing that we can genetically modify a plant to withstand climate change help support your idea that we should be allowing genetically modified organisms? That's your reasoning right there is what you're going to put right there. So you're going to write this up. You can type it up if you would like. So maybe if you think these boxes are too small, you can create a Google Doc and put CER. They should be complete sentences, full sentences. For your evidence, I would love you to link websites in there if you're doing a Google Doc, or writing at the very least who published your article that you found as evidence supporting your claim. All right, good luck, guys. If you have questions, email me. We are also going to be Zooming the class, so if you're watching, our classes start at 8 o'clock and 9 o'clock. So if you have questions, you're welcome to Zoom in and ask questions there. We're going to be doing a little bit more of a discussion-based activity as well in class, and you can join in on that if you would like. But this is your main assignment today, is to fill out this chart. Have a great day, guys.